Creating building blocks and labels. Hi, I'm Brian from Offery, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create building blocks and labels. Building blocks are module content blocks that you can use to build and enrich your quote. Use building blocks to impress your buyers and highlight your company's assets. The idea is to create multiple building blocks, so they're available when you need them. Select the building blocks you need when creating a quote. You don't usually use all of them. Nice to know, you can see for each quote how long and how often your prospect looks at specific building blocks, but more on this in another video. When you click on the blue button on the left in the content menu, a list of all your building blocks will be displayed. Each line is a building block. The name of the building block, the function and format, as well as its language are all displayed. You can also view, copy, or delete a building block. By setting the button green or gray, you determine whether it can be used in a quote. Now I'm going to create a new building block. Click New Building Block, and a window will pop up. Start by choosing the language of your building block. Is your language not on the list? Select All Languages. Now you can select the language of the building block. This is the name that will be displayed for your prospect. Once you have done this, you can also add an alias for this building block. Your prospect will not see this. You have the option of appending a content label to the building block. This is useful if you have multiple building blocks. By creating different labels, you can group building blocks. When creating a quote, all you have to do is select the label of your building block instead of working your way through a long list of building blocks. Next, select a type for your building block. Each type has its own function. Depending on the content that you want to add to a building block, select the type that is suited to your content. You can choose between video, slideshow, FAQ, or testimonial. Offery also has a text type, which you can use to lay out text and images like in Word. We have made sure that there is a suitable building block for each type of content. I'm going to select slideshow. Before saving the page, select the icon that will be displayed for your building block. You are now in edit mode for a building block. You can add your own content here. Because I've selected the slideshow template, I can now add images. The tool will display the required resolution for images wherever you add content. The resolution is 800 by 360 pixels for a slideshow, for example. Draw an image from your desktop into the box and add text if necessary. Slide 2 will automatically be displayed when you do this. You can do this for multiple images. I now have 3 slides with content, and I'm ready to take a look at the end result. Click View Building Block to see what the building block looks like. Don't forget to save your building block at the bottom right after viewing it.